Okay, page 4. Shamara just found out she was the love child of a famous music celebrity and her mom. When he died, he left Shamara $150,000 of inheritance. She invests in 2 different types of accounts, a savings account paying 2.3% interest and a certificate of deposit paying 4.7% interest. She decides to invest $72,000 more in the certificate of deposit than in the savings. Find the amount invested in the savings account and in the certificate of deposit. So we don't need to do anything until the second sentence. He left her $150,000 of inheritance. That is going to be our total. Then the next sentence says she invested in 2 different types of accounts, savings and CD. Doesn't matter about the percents right now. A certificate of deposit paying, okay. She decides to invest $72,000 more in the CD than in the savings. So we'll let the savings be F, and the CD is how much she invested in the savings plus another $72,000. Oh, that's all I need to do. Okay, so I don't even need to do this part for this one. So I'm going to move the 150,000 over here. Hadn't read it prior to prepping this. All right, so we're just going to say that how much she invested in the savings plus how much she invested in the CD is equal to the total. So quantity is S for the savings, S plus 72,000 for the CD, and the total she invested was $150,000. Let's solve for S to see how much she invested in savings. S plus S is 2S. Bringing everything else down. All right, I'm going to subtract 72,000 from both sides. I get 2S. I guess I could do it here. So 68,000, 3, 8, becomes a 14. So, oh, 78. Sorry, 78,000. That becomes a 14. And then we divide both sides by 2. And S is equal to 2 goes up 3 times 6. 18 is 9. So 39,000 is how much she invests in savings. So she invests $39,000 in savings. And how much in that CD? The CD is the savings plus 72,000. So if this one's 39,000, 39,000 plus 72,000 is 10, 11, 111,000 in the CD. Okay, let's go to the next one. Kenny broke open his piggy bank and finds $6.25. That is the total. Okay. All in nickels and dimes. Nickels and dimes. Remember, nickels are 5 cents. Dimes are 10 cents. Okay. Quantity. There are 17 more nickels than dimes. So we're going to have a certain amount of dimes, but the nickels have 17 more than the dimes. Okay. So now to find the complete value, we have to multiply 5 cents times this, 0.05 times D plus 17 plus 10 cents times D equals the total. Okay, I'm going to have to distribute. 5 cents times D is 0.05 D. 5 cents times 17 is 85 cents. That's 0.10 D equal to 6.25. Combining like terms, we've got 0.05 D and 0.10 D is 0.15 D. And then I'm just going to bring down everything else. All right, and now to isolate how many dimes there are, I need to subtract 85 cents from both sides. Five minus 5 is 0. I need to borrow 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That's $5.40. Okay, and then I have to divide both sides by 0.15. And what is D equal to? I'm going to use a calculator for this. 540 divided by 0.15 is 36. So there are 36 dimes, and nickels are dimes plus 17, which is 36 plus 17, 13, 3, 4, 5, 53 nickels. So there are 36 dimes and 53 nickels. Okay. Next one is Sydney and Tristan decided to host a pumpkin festival with a hayride and a corn maze. Tristan wanted to ensure everyone had a good time, so he wanted a rule that every 4 children, there must be at least 1 adult guardian. Okay, so we're going to have children, adults, and total. And we know that for every adult, there's going to be 4 kids. Okay, so on every 4 children, there must be at least 1 adult guardian. Okay, so there's 4 children per adult. All right. Sydney was greedy and was in it for the money, so she wanted to charge $17 for each child and $15 per adult. It worked out well, and this past Saturday they made $1,992. How many adults and children attended the festival? So how many tickets? Again, we need to multiply plus multiply equals this. So 4A times 17 plus A times 15 equals 1,992. We need to multiply 17 times 4, 68. Don't forget the A. Plus 15A is 1992. I need to add the 2. I want to verify 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, carry 1. Yep. All right, and then I'm going to divide that real quick. $24. Oh, sorry, divide by 83. And so adults, there were 24. So if adults had 24, 4 times, so adults is 24, so the child is 4A, which is 4 times 24. 96 children. So there were 24 adults and 96 children. All right, that's it, y'all. Good luck.